Good evening to everyone. Today we want to solve some important questions on power and exponent. So this type of questions many time asked in RIMC, Science School as well as RMS and Science School 8, Science School 9th class and some other examinations. Okay, without wasting time, so we go for solution. Okay, first it is given that if 5 to the power of 3x minus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125, find the value of x. Okay, so going for solution, just wait. See here, what is given? 5 to the power of 3x minus 1 divided by 25 is equals to 125. This is the given. Okay, so we go for, so this is 5 to the power of 3x minus 1 divided by 25. Divided by 25 means here the base is 5, so 25 should be converted as base of 5. So 25 is nothing but 5 into 5, that's mean 5 square. Okay, is equals to 125. 125 means 5 to the power of 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, now 5 to the power of 3x minus 1 divided by 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 5 to the power of 3. See here we can apply a property that is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. So by applying this one, so it is becomes, what happened, 5 to the power of 3x minus 1 minus of 2, okay, is equals to 5 to the power of 3. See next what will become. Okay, 5 to the power of 3x minus 1 minus 2, so this is 5 to the power of 3x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power of 3. See here both LHS and RHS side, both sides are bases equal. So by equaling, when bases are equal, then powers also equal. So here 5 here LHS also 5, there is base and here is also 5 is the base. So by equaling the powers both sides, so what happened, 3x minus 3 is equal to just 1 minute. Okay, 3x minus 3 is equal to 3. So from here 3x is equals to minus 3. By transferring minus 3 to RHS, it will become 6. So the x is equals to 6 upon 3. So 3 1 the 3 2 the x is equal to 2. So the required answer is x is equals to 2. This is our answer. Yes, I hope all of you understand this answer, this solution. Okay, go for next question. See here, 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 192. This is given. So what to find? Find the value of x. So go for solution without any wasting time. Just see here, 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x. So what to do? Just we common 2 to the power of x. So what happened? 1 plus 1 plus 1, okay, is equals to 192. 1 minute is equal to 192. So what happened here? See, 2 to the power of x, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, is equals to 192. So 2 to the power of x is nothing but 192 upon 3. So 3 1s the 3 8s the 3 8s the not 3 8 not 3 8 the 3 6 3 6 the 3 6 the 18 and 1 is carry here 3 4s are okay 64. What happened here is 64. So now see here is the base 2 to the power 2. So we should convert the 64 in terms of 2. Okay, in terms of 2 means there should be a base 2. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 64. 64 means 2 into 2 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 64. No 32, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the is equal to how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power of 6. Okay, we can write instead of 64 2 to the power of 6. Why we are written like this? Due to here is the base 2, so we should convert 64 as same base LHS and RHS. Now the bases are same LHS and RHS, so equal the values of base, equal the values of powers. X is equal to 6. This is our answer. Next, go for next question. See here 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 8 to the power of 2x plus 1. Find the value of x. So here is also just 8, here is the base 8 and here is 2. So by equaling the base same, just see here 2 to the power of 3x, 2 to the power of 3x is equals to 8 means 2 to the power of 3 whole power 2x plus 1. Okay, here see here. Next what happened 2 to the power of 3, just here see a to the power of m to the power of n. What happened? This is identity also. This is identity a to the power of m into n by using this identity. So here is also same a to the power of m into n. So 3 into 2x plus 1. What happened? Just wait. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 to the 6x. Next 3 1 the 3. So LHS side is 2 to the power of 3x. Here see, here is base also 2 and here is also so. So the by comparing or by equaling the powers, what happened? By equaling or comparing the powers, 3 to the power 3x is equals to 6x plus 3. Okay, next see here is 6x. So this 3x is carry RHS, it is like this 6x minus 3x and plus 3 goes here minus 3. So what happened? 6x minus 3x is just 3x is equal to minus 3. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Therefore the x is equal to minus 1. This is our answer. Okay, next question is 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 750. Find the value of x. Very easy. See the solution. Just wait. 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x minus 1. Just we seen a identity a to the power of m into n. So what a to the power of m into n means? A to the power of m to the power of n. Okay, likewise vice versa. So here see here, what do we write? Or not to use this one. Just wait. I want to not to use this one. I want to use here a to the power of m minus n, like this. Okay, like this it is. So a to the power of m minus n means a to the power of m upon a to the power of n. So what to write? 5 to the power of m, 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 1. 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 750. Just by taking the LCM of 750 in terms of power 5, see here 750. 5 ones the 5, 5 ones the 5 and 2, 5 5s the, okay, 5 5s the 25. 150. Next 5 3s are 15, 30. 5 6 the 5 6 the 30. Okay, wait 1 minute. Okay, what happened here? 5 to the power 6, 5 to the power of 3 into 6. Okay, so we write like that here. 1 minute. 1 minute, wait. Okay, see here by taking common 5 to the power of x is, we have to take common 5 to the power of 1 plus, here what happened, 1 plus 5 to the power of x is common 1 upon 5. Okay, are you got this? Okay, LHS is this one. So what happened, 5 to the power of x into 5 into 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 upon 5. Okay, 6 upon 5 is equals to 5 to the power of 3. RHS we have already solved now. 5 to the power of 3 into 6. See here, 5 to the power of x into 6 by 6 upon 5 and 5 to the power of 3 into 6. So LHS RHS, what happened, 5 to the power of x is equals to 5 to the power of 3 into 6. Okay, what happened, by cross multiplying, into 5 upon 6. Okay, got this? Okay, good. So what happened next, 5 to the power of x is equals to 5 to the power 6 gets cancelled. Here is 5 to the power of 3 plus 1 means 4. 5 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 1. 5 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 1, what happened? A to the power of m into a to the power of n. What happened? A to the power of m plus n. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, good. Next, what happened? Here bases are same, 5 and the powers also same. Therefore the x is equal to 4. Are you understood this one? Very important question, very important one. If you like this solution, please subscribe my channel and like and share more, so useful for every student. Thank you very much. Bye.